Welcome back to Akamai Online. In today's video, we'll go over how to blur your home on Google Maps. Step 1. We have to navigate to google.com/maps. Step 2. Search your address in the search box. You may click it from the list below if it appears as you begin typing. Step 3. Click on the image, which will take you to the street view. Step 4. Click on the Options menu, which will appear as 3 dots on the right-hand side of your address. From there, click Report a Problem. Then begin filling out the Report Inappropriate Street View form. Ensure the house you're trying to blur is fully captured in the red box as seen in the image preview. You may click and move the box as you see fit. Once you've completed that, move on to the next step and select Request Blurring for My Home. You will then be prompted to fill out an additional section. Click the checkbox to ensure that you have the authority to request the blurring of this property. Be sure to read the full statement before clicking. In the text box below, provide any additional information, including the reason you want your home blurred. In this case, I would like to have my house at address blurred for safety reasons, and also include your name and phone number in case they need additional information. That way, they have a method of reaching out to you. One of the last steps is to provide your email address. This may be another point of contact for them to reach out to you in case they need additional information. Lastly, verify that you are not a robot. Click the checkbox and you may be prompted to select images as a form of verification. Once the form is complete, you can click the Submit button. Google may reach out to you via email or text if they need additional information before they're able to blur your home on Google Maps. We hope this helps you secure your privacy on the internet. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials and tips. We hope to see you again soon.